Hello friends, Stock Register app is a simple stock maintain app for any shop godown owner to keep track of all the stock item transactions. Use this app to record all stock inward and outward transactions and check opening stock, closing stock, total stock inward, total stock outward for every item. So friends, first of all you have to download Stock Register app from Play Store and log in with mobile number. After this you have to add the name of your store, go down and save it. Friends, your first store has been added to the stock register. Now in this you have to add the item details of that stock before adding the transaction of the stock, so that you do not have to add the item details again and again. To add any new item, click on the add item button. Here you have to add item name, purchase price, selling price, price unit, opening stock, store name. After entering all this, save the item details. Friends, you can also add all other items in the same way. After adding the item, it is very easy to add its stock transaction. You can add stock transaction for any item in the stock section. Let me tell you by adding the stock transactions of the item we just added. If you have bought any stock, then you have to click on the add in button, and if you have sold stock, then you have to click on the add out button. We will now enter to sell the stock. Click on the add out button. Add the sold quantity and its selling price and save the entry. Now you can see the total in, total out here. All the stock of this item you have bought on this day is called total in, and all the stock you have sold is called total out. You have just entered to sell the stock. You can see its stock in the total out. Similarly, you can add the rest of transactions. Let me add a few more transactions in front of you. Friends, you can add all the daily transactions by doing this, and if you want to see the account of the added transactions, then by clicking on that stock item you can see all the old account of the stock. If you want to see the account of the old day, just click on it and you will see the last day's account. Friends, you can add all the daily transactions by doing this, and if you want to see the account of the added transactions, then by clicking on that stock item you can see all the old account of the stock. If you want to see the account of the old day, then click on it and you will see the last day's account. Here you can also edit any transactions. Suppose you have mistakenly put the last stock out piece 12 and you want to change it to 13. You can just change it by tapping on that transaction and it is updated. Friends, in the stock register you can keep track of the stock of each of your shop and warehouses in the same way. To add another store or warehouse, click on the add new store and save store or warehouse name by adding it. Now you can add items and stock transactions for new store as well. Similarly, you can also add the name of the party. Click on the add party button and save it by adding the party name and its mobile number. Friends, so far you have learned how to add new store, party, item and stock transactions. Friends, if you want to add the party name with the stock transactions, you can also do it with the stock register app. Click on the add in or add out button. Select the party name. You will be able to see the list of already added party names here. If you want to add any new one, then you have to add a new party name first, and after that save your transaction by filling all the information. Friends, in the same way you can also add the transaction of the stock of your other shop or go down. Friends, in the same way you can also add the transaction of the stock of your other shop or go down. While adding stock entry, select the name of the store like this, where you want to transact your current item, and by selecting this store type and saving the transaction, you have the option to automatically move that to the new store. Now book 1 is also created in the store 2. So guys, you saw how easy is it to add stock transaction in the stock register app. Now you start using this app for your stock transactions, and if you have any feedback, then definitely tell us in the comment. If you are facing any problem in doing this app or what feature should we add. Friends, this app is absolutely free for you, so help us by spreading this to the maximum people. Thank you.